Hi friends, I'm Jirak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert or how to create a halo text effect on your Canva on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a halo text effect or create a stroke text effect on your Canva mobile. So first I'm just going to add a text here. So it's a halo text effect. I just going to type as halo here. Okay. So hello text. Okay, so now I just going to make it as a capital so it will be look great, and just need to change the font to any bold font so it will be look great on this effect. So I just change this. Now click on the font, and you just close this and click on the font now, or click on the text now. Now you have this sort of option on the bottom here. You just need to click the effect option. Now you can see there is a lot of effect, and here the halo effect I just talking about. Click on the setting option. So here you can just adjust the thickness so it will be look great. Now you can just customize the color, whatever color you just needed. I just go with the black. You can see how the halo effect looking. It's actually great. This is how you just create a halo text effect within a 1 minute on your Canva mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.